Hi, I'm trying to show you how to replace the laptop screen. You need to get a small flat screwdriver and a Phillips small screwdriver. The flat one you needed to remove a little piece of rubber right here on the corner. There are four of them that cover up the four screw. So just remove this one by one. Okay. Alright, just put them there and then see 1, 2, 3, 4 screw right here. So you just have to unscrew them. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Okay, they're all four. Anyway, you should always remove the battery before you disconnect anything on the wire. So I'm disconnecting the battery in the back. Okay, so here's the computer again. You see the screen it had the cover right here. You just take the finger, put on the side, and you just like take it out like that. But take it out, take it easy. It's all plastic. And then with the bottom right here, it's connected to the hinge, and you just like gently just take it out like that. See that? Here's the screen, and you see here's the inverter. And you take the screwdriver, you see on the side right here, it got 1, 2 screw right here that to hold the screen to the hinge. So you remove this one. I'm sorry my arms cover the screw, but you see that the screw up here in this hole, I just take it out, and you see another screw right here. So you unscrew it. Anyway, that's one is okay. That's on out. There's another 2 screw on this side. You do the same thing. Just remove them. That's one. Here's another one. Okay, here is the screen. You see there's a connection between the inverter and to the screen. You just gently pull it out like that. See, it's very easy. There's another the wire going the back of the screen right here. See, there's a piece of plastic right here. Can you see that? You just pull the plastic out and gently just unplug it and pull it out. Here's the old screen. Okay. Now I take the new screen. I just do the same thing. Just re-plug this in. Re-plug this back into the new screen. Okay, just put the plastic back in, just like that, and you can put the connection between the converter to the screen. You just push it in gently. Okay, and then the 4 screw on the side. You screw them back together to hold the screen to the hinge. That's one. Up here is another one. I'm sorry my arms covered your view, but but I'm sure you see where see it's up here, right here, that 2, and on this side is also 2 of them. You cannot miss them because the only screw that hold up your screen to the hinge by the, you have to hold by the screws. So this is the 4th one. Okay, so here you go. You got the screen on the holding up on the hinge, and of course here is, you see the inverter. You put it back into its place. You know, because I opened this before, so that's why it came loose. But when you open the first time, if you don't pull it out, it should have a piece of tape to hold your inverter in place. So you don't have to do like what I do right here. But anyway, it really doesn't matter. Now, see the inverter in there. Okay. And now the inverter in place. You take this piece of the cover right here. First you put from the outside down, like that. Make sure it's in right now. And you just pop from side to side on the screen. You hear all the popping? That means it is in right now. There you go. Alright. And you take the Phillips, take the screw, and just tie them back up. All 4 of them. You see, here's one. I'm tying up the second one right here. And here's the 3rd one. Go up here. Well, they're all the same size, so it really doesn't matter which one you want to tie them up first. Okay, and then the piece of rubber right here, just stick it back in to make your laptop look nice. Okay, I got one is stuck underneath, but I know where it is, so I'm gonna stick it back in. Okay, here you go. You have the new screen on your laptop. See that? Okay, of course I cannot power it on right now because I don't have the battery. So I'm gonna put the battery back in. Just slide back in. Okay. And here you go. I'm gonna power it on, and of course you're gonna see it on. If it's not, then you know my job is not good. So it's gonna take just a few seconds to power it back on. Okay. There you go, Toshiba, leading whatever innovation. Alright, thank you for watching the video. And of course, you know, my computer is gonna be, you know, it's gonna run on right now. See that? The screen is on, so it works now. Thank you for watching the video again. Hopefully it's helped you a lot.